Hey guys, it's Mosengi Nong Kong, and I'm here with another iPad video. Like, I usually don't do these, and I said that in my first unboxing video, but I got a request from Through the Telescopes. You should check out their channel. They have like some art stuff, also some iPad stuff. It's pretty cool, and like a variety of things. And they asked me to do a what's on my iPad, so here we go. So this is just a basic case off of Amazon. I got it because I'm using my iPad for school a lot, and it has a pocket for like papers and stuff and a holder for the pencil. And you open it up and it has like a stand option and all that. The background is just, I don't have a dog, but this is my uncle's dogs. Well, one of his dogs. He has two that look like this. And I love them to death. And it was just a cute picture I took on my phone. And so I made it my background, and it's been my background. It's been the only background I've had on this iPad. I haven't changed it at all. On the bottom we just have Safari, Gmail, the Outlook that I use for my school, university email, files, never use this, Notability, use all the time for my school stuff, like notes and stuff during class. And then the Reminder app, and then I have like these three are the recent ones. So these are what's here all the time, but I only have this one page. I like to keep all these apps in like folders because I don't know, I don't like swiping to get through everything. So in this first folder, it's rarely used. I actually do have a couple messages, but I usually don't use Messenger, like, except for when I'm in school, so I mean, it doesn't really, I don't keep it on my main stuff. FaceTime, I've only ever used that once. Find, iPhone, Maps, GarageBand is actually offloaded, News, iBooks, Contacts, Clock, and Calendar. I just never use those, so I don't like keeping it cluttered. Photos, self-explanatory. Camera, Notes, App Store. As you can see, I have like 12 apps I need to update. I hate updating apps. Settings, and then we come to another folder, which is Productivity. That's supposed to be PowerPoint. Don't know what's wrong with it. Then I have Excel, Word. I don't use these much, but I really need to. I'm going to get a typing case later, and then I'll be able to use those more. Adobe Scan, I've only used that a couple times. Acrobat, Creative Cloud, Quizlet, and Google Docs and Google Sheets. Under Entertainment, I have YouTube, Pinterest, Viki. I have been using that a lot because I don't really have time to watch a lot of shows. Webtoon, Wattpad. I haven't updated it yet. There's the new update and it just looks so ugly. Then we have Twitter, Pandora. I use that like a lot. I usually like fall asleep to Pandora a lot. I have like 1,000 stations. It's not gonna scroll, but I have like all these stations. I love Pandora. I like it more than the Spotify app. Then I have a couple games. SimCity. It's like organization and planning. I like that kind of stuff. And then Weed Firm 2. I don't do drugs, kids, but I do like the game. I played like the first one like 2 years ago, and I just like I said, I like business stuff and I like running stuff, and so I got the second one. Then I got The Sims. I don't really like that one. I play it every now and then. It's like a rank-a-dink version of the actual Sims. It's not that great. And then I got Bamboo Paper. I don't use that very often, but I don't know what folder to put it in. I don't want to put it in rarely used because I do use it occasionally. It's just not my favorite app for like handwriting notes. I prefer Notability. Then I got the Bible app. Then I have this personal / shopping / extra stuff. I'm going to cover up this first app is for my bank, and it's like where I live. They don't have a lot of them, so if you Google it, you'll find it. Then Amazon. Never use that. I need an Amazon account. Airbnb. Couch surfing, Hangouts, Instagram. I have it on my phone, and I thought it was stupid to have Instagram on my iPad, but I do edit a lot of photos on my iPad, so it makes sense to have it there. And then I have the follow track thing. I hate like tracking and keeping up with like followers and stuff, but I got to a point where a lot of people, you know, like people just like follow you and then unfollow you, and then if I like was interested in stuff, I'd follow them back. And then it was like, after a while, I was just getting spam with people I don't like seeing their stuff. So I was like, this is an easy way to go through and unfollow the people that I just followed back because they followed me. And that I don't like their stuff. Then under Photo, Video, and Art, I have Adobe Draw, Photoshop Mix, Photoshop Express, Adobe Clip, Sketchbook, Autodesk Sketchbook, Photoshop Fix, Lightroom, Adobe Sketch, Splice, Pixar. iMovie is offloaded, I don't use that. Pixlr, Visco, VSCO, I don't know what people call it. 1967, Canva, and Vectornator. The apps I use the most out of these are probably Photoshop Express and Lightroom to like edit all my photos. Love those. If I need something a little bit crazier with stuff, I'll use Pixar or Pixlr. Haven't ever used Splice because I want to edit videos on my iPad, but I gotta like buy the stuff to like be able to like transfer it from an SD card. Canva is actually very useful. I use it for like a lot of YouTube thumbnails, so I enjoy that. I also want to get, I have all these like drawing apps because I do want to get more into drawing on the iPad. Also why I got one this big, because this is a 12.9. And then we got language down here, scripts, and Duolingo. I don't use these very much. I was going to be using scripts a lot more, but I dropped my language class I was going to take for this semester because it didn't fit in. Like, I got a work schedule and I had to like rearrange everything. And then last one is Sketches. Don't really use that one. I just like having a lot of variety and options with the like drawing apps if I do use them. But I'm actually going to put iMovie under rarely use right now and put this under here. Okay, cool. Because I was like for the longest not wanting to put Sketches under the photo, video, and art because I don't want to have to like swipe a page. It's basically what's on my iPad. I don't think it's very interesting. I mean, it's kind of basic. I use it for school. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys soon with more art videos. And yeah, bye.